Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we start off today's video with this beautiful Pixie haircut transformation. So she went from long hair to this stunning Pixie. And then we see this gorgeous Pixie mullet style, loving the copper hair color that she has. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up we have this beautiful Pixie undercut style. Followed by this beautiful bob haircut. And then we have this stunning blunt bob style. Next up, we have another beautiful long to short hair transformation. Looks like she ended up going with the beautiful mini bob style. Gorgeous soft lavender rose gold shade. And then we see someone else get a bob haircut complete with bottleneck style bangs. Followed by this beautiful bob haircut. This one features rose pink colored money piece highlights going there in the front, beautiful bangs, and a tapered undercut in the back. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous bob haircut style with the bangs. Followed by another beautiful bob complete with bangs. Beautiful undercut in the back area with a design. And then we have this beautiful mixy baby mullet style with the light green hair color. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.